Hi beauties, welcome back. So my face is damp. The next thing that I will do is I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam to clean my pores. This is a cleanser, but it comes in a lotion form. So after cleansing with this, my skin will feel clean, soft and refreshed. And the good part of it, beauties, is it doesn't dry my skin out. Yeah, some other cleansers, after using it, you feel this tightness, this dryness on your skin, but this particular Estee Lauder micro cleansing foam doesn't do that. So I go in a circular motion like always, and then after that I cleanse it out, and then I'm using my tissue paper to damp my face, not completely dry, but just to damp, to remove some water as my face is still damp. Then the next is I'm going in to apply my Estee Lauder Micro Essence. It's like a toner. So what it does to my skin look healthy. My skin looks glowy. It reduces some redness on my skin, and then it repairs some damages due to lack of sleep. I am a mom of 6 kids. Sometimes I don't even get enough sleep that I should get. So I love using this as my toner part and then massage it into my skin. Then beauties, the next is I am using my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Whoo, beauties. Inside and outside of social media, people are talking about this. As you can see, I am already hitting the bottle just to show you how much I love this product. It is 7 serum in 1. After applying it, my skin feels firmer, look smoother, looks younger, radiant, and even toned. And the good part of it, once again, is you can even mix it with your foundation. Yes, beauties, you can mix it with your foundation to have that glowy effect. Can you see how my face is looking radiant, glowy, healthy, everything you can think of? Oh, I love me some Estee Lauder product. Then after that, beauties, I'm going to apply my under eye cream. You all know by now that Beauty by NG is an advocate of under eye cream. Immediately you hit your 30s, please reach out for a good under eye cream. So this particular one, why I choose this particular one is it brightens dark circles under my eyes, reduce sign of aging, puffiness, dryness, and at the same time hydrates your under eye. So beauties, after that I am using my Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream. Oh, this is a mouthful. Can you see I am hitting this pan already? Just to show you how much I've been loving this particular Estee Lauder product. So it firms my face, add more radiance, and after applying it, my face feels soft, feel lifted, a sort of. So I love using it. I massage also in a circular motion, making sure that every part of my face gets all the nutrients from this particular product. Yeah, as you can see what I'm doing. So beauties, that is just it for my nighttime routine using Estee Lauder product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly give my video a thumbs up. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, beauties, please. Then I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye bye.